Why I want to do it? Two things. This jet ski, they add the pump inside the jet ski, and the problem is that pump, when you have the switch and the key in here, that pump is running all the time. So I want to turn off the jet ski so I could take the key out of here so they could turn off that pump and I could save my battery. So that's why I want to add this to a different battery so I can leave this on when I'm fishing. Check it out. Follow me in this one. So I'm gonna be, this is as easy to remove. Look, we have a screw down here. We're gonna remove it. That's a 516, the 516 one. We're gonna remove this cover to take that part out. Check this out.
Stop!
This is kind of trick. You have to pull it down. Lift this a little bit. Got this part here. So we got the wire here. See? I'm gonna replace that wire. You need to take this cover out so I can pass the wire, and you see. See, if you can see.
Stop.
Okay, you can see this. This is a power, original power from the jet ski, and I put the other power here. That's the other wire. So I'm gonna leave this one here loose, and I'm gonna set up the other one. See? So what I did, I just take this wire, take it from here, open this box here. I open this out. I cross the wire to the other side, and then I make a hole. Let me show you here. So I came around behind the extinguisher, the fire extinguisher. I make a hole in the top, and I silicone that. And this is the wire here. That's the wire. I'm gonna stick tie that. And then I got this wire here. So I got the power for this battery, and then the positive and the ground. So that's set up already. Okay. So let me put this back. We got power on the Garmin. I'm not using the power. See the key here. I'm not using the power, so there you go. Nice. yeah, like I said, this gonna do the job for me. I know it's gonna be a lot better because I'm using my trolley motor. See, and my trolley motor, when I park, I want to turn off everything like that, so it should be fine. Okay, so remember, this is Body Pro Adventure and more. We do a lot of fishing and a jet ski. If you like it, just share this video. If you like to come to fish with us here in Destin, we go Destin, Panama City, Pensacola, everywhere in the Panhandle. So if you like to come out here and fish, bring your jet ski and we're gonna have fun. I'm telling you, just follow me. Okay, God bless you. Take care.